Coding from a mobile device is becoming more practical as AI tools make programming assistance easier to access. AI code generator apps can help turn ideas into code, explain programming concepts, suggest solutions, and speed up repetitive development tasks directly from your Android device. In this video, we'll look at several AI-powered coding tools and see how they can help beginners, students, and developers work more efficiently. AI Code Generator VE Code Editor. AI Code Generator VE Code Editor is an Android-focused development tool that combines AI-assisted code generation with an environment for writing and editing source code. It can be useful for users who want to create code snippets, experiment with programming ideas, or make changes to existing code directly from a mobile device. Depending on the current version, the app may support different programming languages and provide AI assistance for generating or modifying code. One of the main advantages of combining an AI generator with a code editor is that users can move from an idea to editable code without switching between multiple applications. AI assistance can be useful for tasks such as creating basic functions, explaining code, suggesting corrections, or generating examples based on a written prompt. However, generated code should always be reviewed and tested because AI can produce incorrect logic, outdated approaches, security problems, or code that does not work with the user's specific project. The app can be useful for students, beginner programmers, and experienced developers who occasionally need to work from an Android phone. It is particularly convenient for experimenting with small programming tasks when a desktop computer is not available. For Android users looking for a combination of AI-powered code generation and mobile code editing, AI Code Generator VE Code Editor can be a practical tool to explore. AI Code Generator Code Editor. AI Code Generator Code Editor is designed to help users generate programming code with AI while also providing an editor for working with the resulting source code. This combination can make it easier to experiment with programming concepts, create small scripts, and edit existing code directly on an Android device. The languages and AI capabilities supported by the app can vary depending on its current version. Users can describe what they want to build in natural language and use AI-generated suggestions as a starting point for their code. Depending on the available features, AI assistance may help with generating functions, completing code, explaining programming concepts, or making changes to existing snippets. However, AI-generated code should not automatically be considered production-ready, so users should check the syntax, logic, dependencies, performance, and security before using it in a real project. This type of application can be especially useful for learners who want to experiment with programming while having an AI assistant available for guidance. It can also provide a convenient mobile environment for developers who need to make quick edits or test small pieces of code away from their main workstation. For Android users who want AI-assisted coding combined with a mobile editor, AI Code Generator Code Editor is an option worth considering. AI Code Generator Code Writer. AI Code Generator Code Writer is an AI-powered programming tool intended to help users generate and work with source code from an Android device. It can be useful for turning natural language instructions into programming examples, creating code snippets, and assisting with common development tasks. The exact programming languages and features available depend on the current version of the application. AI code writing tools can save time when users need a basic implementation or want to explore different ways of solving a programming problem. Users can provide a description of what they need, then review and modify the generated code to fit their particular project or requirements. It is important to treat the generated output as assistance rather than a guaranteed solution, because AI may misunderstand requirements, introduce bugs, use inappropriate libraries, or overlook security considerations. The app can be helpful for beginners who need examples while learning programming, as well as more experienced users who want quick assistance with repetitive coding tasks. Working from an Android phone also makes it convenient for checking ideas or making smaller coding changes when a computer is not immediately available. For users who want an AI-based code writing assistant on Android, AI Code Generator Code Writer can be a useful tool to explore. Code AI AI Code Writer. Code AI Code Writer is an Android application focused on using artificial intelligence to assist with programming and code writing tasks. It can help users generate code from natural language prompts and may provide assistance with common programming activities, such as creating snippets, modifying code, or explaining programming concepts. Its supported languages and AI features can vary according to the current version of the app. The natural language approach can make coding assistance more accessible because users do not necessarily need to know the exact syntax before asking for help. For example, a user can describe the behavior they want and use the generated result as a starting point for further editing and testing. Even so, generated code should be carefully reviewed because AI tools can produce syntax errors, incorrect assumptions, inefficient solutions, or security vulnerabilities, particularly when the prompt does not provide enough technical context. Code AI can be useful for students, hobbyist developers, and programmers who want a convenient AI assistant while working from an Android device. It can also be helpful when brainstorming implementation ideas or creating a first draft that will later be refined in a full development environment. For Android users looking for an AI-assisted code writing experience, Code AI Code Writer can be an interesting option to try. Devin AI Software Engineer. Devin AI is known as an AI software engineering platform designed to assist with software development tasks, rather than simply functioning as a basic mobile code generator. It is associated with AI-assisted development workflows where the system can work through programming tasks, reason about implementation, and assist with software engineering processes. Unlike a conventional Android code editor app, Devin's main experience is centered on AI-driven software development and is typically accessed through supported web or development environments. Its approach goes beyond generating an isolated code snippet because AI software engineering systems can assist with tasks such as understanding requirements, writing or modifying code, debugging, and working through development workflows. The actual capabilities and level of autonomy depend on the current Devin platform, available integrations, and the user's access or subscription. As with any AI development system, developers should review generated changes, run tests, inspect dependencies, and apply appropriate security practices before deploying AI-assisted code. Devin can be particularly interesting for developers who want AI assistance across broader software development tasks, rather than just autocomplete or individual code generation. It is more suitable for users who already understand development workflows and can evaluate the AI's work, while beginners may need additional programming knowledge to verify the results effectively. For users interested in a more comprehensive AI software engineering approach, Devin AI stands out as a different type of coding assistant compared with simple Android code generator apps. AI coding tools can be useful for learning, experimenting with programming ideas, and speeding up everyday development tasks, especially when you need quick assistance. However, generated code should always be reviewed, tested, and adjusted carefully because AI can still produce bugs, incorrect logic, or security issues. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe, and turn on notifications for more useful Android app recommendations.